Guys, for this simple steak, I'm using some Scotch fillet. I'm going to make a sauce, a butter sauce, no cream this time. I'm going to use 1/4 of a red onion. I've got a couple of teaspoons of finely chopped garlic, some red pepper, fresh rosemary from my garden. I'm also going to use some finely shredded spinach. Use half for the sauce, half for garnish. We've got a little bit of olive oil in there. That's where we're going to cook our steak. Now, over the back here, I've got some potatoes which I've boiled. And I'm sauteing them in a little bit of olive oil so they're nice and crunchy. I've also got a pan here with some carrot, capsicum, but it's just a mix that I bought from the supermarket, and I'm going to use that as my sides. So they're all done. The steak's not going to take long. So let's get the cracking now and get this pan onto a nice heat. We can start searing the steak off. Okay, my pan is now starting to smoke a little bit. Time to get our steaks in. Nice coating of pepper on top of the steak. No salt, just pepper. Let them sear. So it's been cooking now for about 2 minutes. I'm going to have a look and see. Yeah, that's looking good. Give it another half a minute. Okay, so I think we've got a good sear on that side. Let's turn it over. Exactly what you want. Nice and crunchy, a nice crisp finish to the edge of the steak. Going to drop in our sliced onion, capsicum, garlic, star of the show, rosemary. Just going to drop it in little piles there so they don't burn. A little bit of fresh baby spinach chopped. Just going to add the rosemary infused butter, probably about a tablespoon. Just let that melt through. Now you can start stirring everything. Give it a mix around. Got to do the taste test, right? Cut into that beautiful steak. It's cooked medium, just how I like it. Actually, I would go medium rare, but medium is good. Potatoes and veggies, cannot go wrong. Thank you for watching my channel, everyone. I will see you on my next recipe, and until next time, take care.